Hello guys, welcome back to Vicky Reaction. I'm Peter.
I'm Vicky.
Guys, we're back with another episode of our reaction music, huh?
Exactly.
And for today, I see the title is Stormy Weather in Color, Nicholasbrothers and Cabcalloway.
Yeah, a song from Nicholasbrothers and Cabcalloway.
It's Stormy Weather in Color.
Yeah, that's the song.
Oh guys, welcome here. It's gonna be great. So enjoy the music with us to the end.
Actually, don't forget to subscribe. So if you're new to our family, if you love what we do, consider that you are just in the right place. And joining us is by subscribing. Basically, just go to our down there, subscribe, and then remember to check below. There is a description there, so that in case you want to suggest any song, in case you want to request any song, in case you want to share maybe any support, you're much welcome. Share you all of that on our Buy Me Coffee using the link that is on the description. Go there, check our Buy Me Coffee link, show your love, show your support. We would really appreciate. In case maybe you don't support Buy Me Coffee, we got you. We have our Patreon community. Consider maybe joining our community by using the link below. So basically, for much information, go to the description. You will find all the details right there. Otherwise, let's see what we have on the Nicholasbrothers and Cabcalloway.
Calloway or Calloway. Oh, it's Calloway.
Yeah, Cabcalloway. The song is Stormy Weather in Color. Wow.
Oh, Stormy Weather in Color.
Yeah.
The dramist.
Oh, some energy. Woo! Are we here for some marathon?
Yeah, see the vibe. Oh.
What?
Let me dig this jive once more.
Oh. Okay.
You hear those hep cats call? Come on, boys, let's have a ball. The jim jam jump it, the jumping jive makes you dig your jive on the mellow side. Hep hep.
Hep hep.
Hip, hip. Jim Jam jump on the solid jive makes you 9 foot tall when you're 4'5".
Okay. Oh.
Now don't you be that inkaroo, get hip, come on and then you follow through. You get your study full, you make up the jaunty jump like the gators do. Jim Jam jump is a jumping jive makes you like your eggs on the Jersey side. Hip hip.
Hep hep.
Hip hip. The Jim Jam jumping jive makes you on the Mahala side.
Oh. Like which style is this? Okay. Why are you stopping?
Like, I had to pause.
No.
What style is that? Are you getting what they're saying?
Just enjoy the vibe. Wow!
The moves.
And it is flowing with the instruments.
Yeah. Even the thumping of shoes. Huh?
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, bum, bum.
What? Like, wow. And they're so flexible. Oh my God. Oh.
They can't hurt anyone. And see those where they have kept the capes, the caps.
Dun, 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 dun.
Behind the curtains.
Wow! I feel like the shoes are like instruments too.
Yeah, by the way, they're stamping. really
Where is the lead singer? Is this a wedding or something? Ooh.
They are really flexible.
Like my legs!
My in between. This is just fun.
Wow!
Is the relief coming back?
Oh my god, are they okay?
Yeah, they are well.
They're not hurt?
Everybody dance.
Wow, another version? Wow, a house?
The curtain went up, then it's a dance. Let's go. Now let's dance. It was like a wedding, huh?
Yeah.
That's
Cabcalloway. Nicholasbrothers. Harold and Foyard. Ooh. The end. Wow. Oh my god. Like, wow.
This was courtesy of Trey.
Trey, like, who are you? Trey, who are you? Because, like, wow.
Where did you get this one? Because just
Okay, you know, he just told us on a short note, like, you will love this. After sending us the link, he was like, you will really love this at the end.
Really
And for
got
sure,
me
like,
off guard. Yeah, Trey, this one is just on another level.
this
Wow.
is on another level. And
Yeah.
okay, not even the dances. Don't talk about the flexibility,
Yeah.
the instruments,
Ooh.
the way they
The
just
skill from
the
Nicholas
skills,
Brothers.
the way they just arrange everything.
Yeah, and then the end party of the dance out.
Oh, their stage setting, like it's a house, I don't know, it's a stage, it's something like the creativity is on another level. Like this.
Stormyweather in color. I just forgot even the title of it. I was just getting like,
For
even
me-
how can you stamp your shoe with the beat?
Tan, tan, tan. That part where the it was like
A
some
piano
piano
and,
and then
the
tan,
stamping.
tan, tan. Leave alone the part where they were just doing like 180
Yeah, they're spreading like this.
and they are men. Like, okay, are they okay?
What are you thinking?
Like, are they okay? But wow, I love the flexibility.
For sure, I can't do that personally.
Like, it's not for everyone. That's a talent.
Yeah, the Nicholas brothers.
Wow, this was so crazy. This was so amazing. Like,
Yeah, let's not even say much, guys. As you witnessed, it was just I've never seen such.
like, this was totally great. This was
Yeah.
out of, like, it was so amazing. Like, we are really,
We can't
really
even say what was the title. I think it was just a fun song. A fun
out on the
engagement.
message because I didn't get any message.
But I really enjoyed this, guys. I like it. It's worth it. Share your thoughts and share your fun, guys. Give us maybe a background information part of
Exactly.
it. Does it have a story behind it? How did they come with that dance? Huh?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And in case there is more, like, we want
Yeah,
more,
please,
more,
please,
no.
please,
We
please.
can't get enough. I feel like we will be doing even one song every day from them, because wow.
Is it that style of doing it?
Yeah.
Tell us, guys, and
Yeah.
don't forget to subscribe here, share more on our Buy Me Coffee. Thank you, Troy, for these ones.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye.